And welcome back to another knockoff toy review. So in this video we're going to be looking at some bootleg Avengers figures. Got 2 packets here. First up, let's have a look at the box. So obviously I can't read that, but it says 4, so I'm guessing this is going to say Avengers 4, which would be what, Endgame. Got some details here. Black Widow, 4, Spider-Man, some more character pictures up there, and these ones are drawings by the looks of it. It's always weird when they have like photos and then I think not all be drawings, I don't know. Anyway, not much on that. Is there anything on the back? Yes, there is. The Avengers Initiative. Some more Chinese writing. Yeah, nothing too interesting, so I'll crack this one open. Nothing too interesting behind the figures. Just that. Wow, these are really cheap. It's come to bits already. I'm sure I've reviewed something like this before. I think there's like a pack of 8 Spider-Man figures. They're all either the red and blue or the black and gold for some reason. Anyway, extremely cheap, as you can just see, it just fell bits. There's like hollow arms at the back. So we've got them too. Wow. Here's Captain America. Again, it's got the plastic bits. Always these weird light things, if they even work. It literally just does that. Really weird. I don't know why these are always in bootleg. Anyway, articulation wise, no leg articulation. We do have arm articulation. And he comes with his shield, which does actually fit on his hand, sort of. So there's Cap. We have a black and gold Iron Man, again with the weird little light. Hollow arms. They are really cheap plastic as well. You think it'd be cheaper just not to include this like little LED and battery and whatever's in there. I don't know. This one comes with a little shield. So touch that. If that's the right way, or is it the other way? I think it might be that way. Don't know why they're like completely different scales. Some of the figures. And the more traditional colour Iron Man. Exact same model. And comes with the same shield. Yeah. Does this one work? Oh, that one works as well. That's surprising. You can you can see through him. So that the plastic's that thin, it's like translucent. And lastly, from this one, we have the really weird. We have some sort of a spider airplane. Kind of looks like the X-Men one, kind of. So yeah, spider plane, and an Avengers stealth. So we've got Captain's shield on it, or maybe that's Captain America's yellow stealth. I don't know. It's super weird. Anyway, next one is, I don't know what that says. Yeah, this is quite strange. What? Is that me, or is that the same person? That's like supposed to be Captain America. That's supposed to be, I guess, Thor. They look identical, almost. Oh, the beard's a little bit different. And there's the Winter Soldier looking very similar again. Okay, that's kind of weird. It's just drawings around it. Black Panther there. They're all the characters, but there's only Iron Man, Spider. It's almost exact same set. Different scale though. And on the back, you've got Hulkbuster, Hulk, Black Widow, Captain America, Hawkeye, and Thor, and Vision, who are not in the set. Oh, apart from Captain America. Right, let's crack this one open. So very similar figures. Obviously a bit more detail than that one. Detailing is better on these, but the face isn't particularly great. Oh, no arm articulation now. Same hollow arms and the like. It's not as shiny plastic. It does look slightly better detail on it. Let's move these back. Oh, Captain America's got a shield. She's got some God knows what inside it. There's Cap. Another black and gold Iron Man with a shield, but these are all like smaller sizes. Oh, yeah, they've got no articulation in their arms, so I don't know if this is going to fit in. Just about fits in. Strangely, same one again. Strangely enough, I can't get the shield in that one. I don't know why. Next up we have two Spider-Man, and these appear to be his Infinity War Iron Spider suit. Again, hollow arms, random light. These are much more shiny. It's kind of weird because that's really well detailed, and that's just paint on smooth surface. They've both got two little red webs, which just fit on like that. He's got his belt. He's got like a belt there. And the feet goes round. It's so weird, quality difference. Anyway, a bunch of bootleg Avengers. I like this one, I must say. That's pretty special. Okay, super cheap Avengers figures there. A couple of planes. Hope you enjoyed this, and until next time, ta-ra for now.